Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start your own LLC with Incfile. The first thing you want to do is just easily scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you do it, you'll get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that's going to help us start our own business, because I believe that you should actually focus on generating money, revenue, and providing value to people and not taking care of accounting and trying to create your own business. So when you're going to be here, click here, start my business. Here, you're going to choose LLC, and then state of formation, you're going to choose South Dakota. Just find it here, right here. Then you're going to have option to have three packages: silver, gold, and platinum. My recommendation is going with the middle way. I'll explain you why. So with the first one, silver, you're going to have the basics: preparing, filling the articles of your organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. But with the gold version, you're not going to have only that, but with the business tax number, business tax consultation, where you can understand the overview of your LLC, lifetime company alerts, banking resolution, IRS form. So a lot of stuff they will actually cover for you. And in this way, this is really amazing for Incfile. Platinum version, this is something that I would recommend only if you need expedited filling. So if you need faster your LLC than weeks but the days, you can choose this. And also if you need business contract templates, domain name, business email, then I would recommend choosing the platinum version. So when you're gonna have, like I have the gold one, I'll click here, get the gold package. Then I'm going to add a first name, last name, email. So I'll go like Marcus Stonelius. Now I'm going to add an email, so like tutorial@gmail.com. And now I'm going to add a phone number. So just add here phone number, and then also on the bottom address. Like this. And then street address here. City, canton, South Dakota, and zip code. Now in the moment when you have it, press next when you're going to fill the address here. The next step that you can actually have like for the one business day filling time, but if you want, we'll get a later option to upgrade for platinum version if you choose the gold version. So I'll choose right now the 3 weeks filling time. But you can go right here with the 1000 business day for $50 if you don't want to upgrade for $150 for platinum. And then I'm going to add a LLC name. So this is the name of the company. So you can make it Sunwee Bakery by Jessica. You choose that and create it. Then you choose also the designator. And when you have it, you can have number of members, owners. And let's say I'm going to have one here because just myself. And then you're going to add the address. So here, you're going to choose, let's say, business consultation for small business owners. So this is a, like, let's say, like marketing consultation. This is the business purpose. So if you're in construction, just write there about construction, what you're going to focus on. And then industry keywords, this can be like, let's say, marketing consult services in my case. In your case, it can be something different. Company address information, so you can actually have the business professional business address virtual mail service, $29 a month, that you would maintain privacy by using commercial address, or you can use your own address. And when you have it, and when you can choose which one you want, and then you just like add and choose the address. For as a company, I choose my home, but you can choose yours differently. And now when you got it, you have option to upgrade for premium version. So here, as I mentioned, you're gonna have and see the expedited filling service, business contract templates, domain name, business email address. So all of these you're gonna find, and if you want it, and if you want also the high quality legal documents, you would find them right here. Then again, click get upgrade bonus, or no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. Now I'll simply choose here the members. And then you choose here, I'm the member 1, and I'll just add here the main name and address, and then press next again. Now when you go further, you can have options registered free agent. I recommend definitely go with Incfile. Don't choose it by yourself, so you can actually focus on the business. For the first year, you're gonna have it completely for free. Then press next again. And then you're gonna have the tax identification number. So this is something that the Incfile will solve it for you. So we just add here the SSN number. And when you got it, also choose the street address here. And when you go further, you have option to, like, Bank of America will contact you and they'll like help you to create your own account. So you can choose here that yes, please have a Bank of America small business specialist contact me, or no, not this time. So click next here. Then you're gonna have the tax strategy free consultation here. This is something that I definitely recommend for you to do. And now you choose here, yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation. And then you're gonna have the business licenses and permits. So this is something I'd also recommend for you to do by Incfile. So you click here, yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications. And then you just add here the street address, the city, and then press next again. And then you're gonna have all the review of your LLC. Just read just summary of it, and then press next again. And then you're gonna have the billing information. So first name, last name, street address, card number, and everything. And when you have it, just click here, complete and pay. And this is pretty much it, how you can start your own LLC in South Dakota. If you can have any questions, guys, let me down in the comments. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. I hope you're going to have a great day. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.